Very good morning, children. This is the video for MS Excel editing activity. So previous video we were discussed about the lesson 2 working with MS Excel. In that lesson we have discussed how to cut the column and how to delete the row, how to add a row and how to add a column. So working with MS Excel we were discussed about these topics in my previous video. So I hope you understood the concepts. This activity helps you understand more about the chapter 2 concepts. So here we have a simple table about students marks. They have entered five rows of data here. Look at the table. We have a roll number, a name, their Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social, and its subjects, all subjects total marks. So look at the table. So what you have to do here, so the activity you have to do here, the option 1, cut the details of Hema and paste it below Taigi. So here look at the picture. You have to cut the details of Hema and you have to paste it below Taigi. So you have to you have to do here, cut the row, just select the cells of Hema. You have to Hema's row, you have to select it and right click the mouse and cut it. Okay, so where you have to paste it below the Taigi. So you have to just move on your mouse cursor in the row of 9. Just place and click your mouse cursor in the row of 9 and right click it. You will get a paste option. So paste it. So this is the option. You can paste the new row after the Taigi. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow: cut and copy. So for using mouse you have to follow these steps. You want to use a shortcut keys, you have to use Ctrl C for the copy the data and Ctrl X it is used to cut the data. Okay, so what you have to do here to cut the data, first you have to select the Hema's row and press Ctrl plus X. The row will be cut. Okay, so and you have to go back to after the Taigi's row of 9 and place your mouse cursor and press Ctrl plus V. Your row will be pasted here. So this is the shortcut key for the copying and pasting a row or any cell values in the workbook. Okay, so understood. The option 1, activity 1, you have to do here. The first task you have to do here, cut the details and you have to paste into new row. So this is the thing you have to do here. So next one, copy the details of Daya and paste it below John. So here you look at where the Daya's row has placed here. So the row number 7. Okay, so copy the details of Daya and paste it below John. Okay, so what you have to do here, first you have to move your mouse cursor to Hema's row and right click it. You will get options insert, delete and paste, or you can see more options and you have to click insert. You have to create one blank row between John and Hema. Okay, so once you click the insert a row, you will get a one blank row in the rows between John and Hema. So now you will got a blank row. So what you have to do here, copy the data of Daya and Ctrl C. So select the cells of Daya's rows or the marks. Ctrl plus C, the rows will be copied and you have to just move your mouse cursor to drag over the MS Excel workbook and goes to the row between John and Hema. Just press Ctrl plus V, your data will be pasted. Okay, so this is the simple editing activity. What we have done here, cut the row and copying into new place and selecting the cells and we have to take that rows to somewhere in the MS Excel worksheet. So this is the option for copy and cut the data in MS Excel workbook. Okay, the activity steps here given, what you have to do here. So you have a system in your home, just work with this activity, you know very well about how to cut the data and how to copy the data in MS Excel. If you don't have a system in your home, just write the steps what we have to do for these two questions, and steps you have to write it in on A4 sheet and submit it through Teachmeet app. Okay, so this is the activity you have to do for today's CS task. Okay, so understand. So I hope you understood the concept of copying and cut the data in MS Excel. So this is the activity for chapter 2, editing and working with the MS Excel. So for MS Excel, it is used for data manipulation work. We can create a table, and we can do for data manipulation work, add a data, delete a row, delete a column, and we can make alignments. We can put borders for this table. So we have more features in MS Excel. So it's a flexibility applications. As per requirement, you can work, you can filter data, you can took analysis of data reports. Okay, so this is a simple activity. I hope you understood the activity. So first you have to do, write the question. Okay, in A4 sheet, first draw this table, write this table, clear. In A4 sheet, write this table, write all the students marks neatly, and you have to write the question number 1, cut the details of Hema and paste it below Taigi. So you have to write what are the steps we have to follow to do for this, paste the new data below Taigi. Okay, and the second question, copy the details of Daya and paste it below John. So for this question, you have to write the steps. The step 1, I will say example. The step 1, just click on mouse cursor, select the cells of a row of Daya. The rows will be selected, the Daya's rows will be selected. This is the step 1. Okay, and press Ctrl plus C. So now the Daya's rows will be copied. Okay, so and press Ctrl plus X, Daya's rows will be cut. Okay, so and move mouse cursor to between John and Hema, click insert, the new row will be selected. This is next step. Okay, so like that you have to write all the steps what we have to do for complete this editing activity. So this is the task, and this is the steps you have to write in A4 sheet. Just write with your own sentence, and with the steps of 4 or 5 sentences enough. Okay, so the main thing here you have to understand about copying data to cut the data, and the shortcut keys we have used for here Ctrl C, Ctrl V and Ctrl X. So understand the 3 shortcut keys we have learned from this activity. Ctrl C for copy the data, Ctrl X for the cut the data, Ctrl V for the paste the data. So 3 shortcut keys we have learned here. Okay, so and using mouse, it will be very flexibility. You can easily you can move your mouse cursor wherever you want to in the worksheet. You can do your operations on data manipulation work in the workbook. Okay, so understand. So this is the activity for today's CS task how to do. I will upload this image in Teachmeet app. Once you have completed, you can submit it through Teachmeet app. Don't be defaulters. So try and write all the steps in your own English. So make mistakes in writing your own sentences. You can learn good English. When we make mistakes, we can learn from our mistakes. Okay, so understand. So don't ask others help. So try to make your own sentence. Okay, don't copy the sentences words from textbook. Try, you can make your own sentence. If it is wrong, don't worry, you can learn from mistake. Okay, I hope you understood this activity. So take on A4 sheet and write this table, and write the question, and below the question you have to write the steps, and for answer the question for the second option also. Okay, so this is the activity you have to do. So if you have any doubts during this activity, send your doubts through my WhatsApp, or you can call me to my personal mobile number, or you can approach and I will give you solutions for your questions. Clear? So this is the activity for lesson chapter 2, working with the MS Excel. I hope you understood. I will meet you all in my next live session, and we will discuss about the more shortcut keys in MS Excel.